Plight. A difficult situation. The poor family struggled with their plight. He understood her difficult plight. Defy. To refuse to obey. He chose to defy the rules. She defied her parents' decision. Truce. An agreement to stop fighting. The two sides agreed to a truce. They called a truce after the argument. Cults. Small groups with strong beliefs. Some cults follow strict rules. He studied the behavior of cults. Fetch. To go and bring something. She asked him to fetch a glass of water. The dog ran quickly to fetch the ball. Intrusive. Entering someone's space or privacy without permission. His questions felt too intrusive. The camera felt intrusive in the quiet room. Patronizingly. Talking in a way that shows you think you are better. He spoke patronizingly to the younger students. She smiled patronizingly as if she knew everything. Malign. To speak badly about someone. He tried to malign her reputation. They malign others to look better. Foreseeable. Something that can be expected. The problem was foreseeable from the start. It was a foreseeable result of his actions. Deluge. A large amount of something, like rain or messages. The city faced a deluge of rain last night. She received a deluge of messages. Enactment. Making a law or rule official. The enactment of the law helped many people. The rule came after its official enactment. Mounting. Increasing or growing. There was mounting pressure on the team. His worries kept mounting day by day. Appeasing. Trying to calm or satisfy someone. She was appeasing the angry customer. He spoke softly, trying to be appeasing. Lapsed. Ended or stopped. His membership lapsed last month. The agreement lapsed after 1 year. Intermittent. Not continuous, stops and starts. The rain was intermittent all day. He had intermittent pain in his arm. Nexus. A connection between things. There is a strong nexus between health and diet. The city became a nexus of trade. Unwittingly. Without knowing. He unwittingly made a mistake. She unwittingly hurt his feelings. Surreptitiously. Secretly, without being noticed. He surreptitiously looked at her phone. She entered the room surreptitiously. Vainly. Without success. He tried vainly to fix the problem. She searched vainly for her lost keys. Bigoted. Having unfair hate toward others. His bigoted views upset many people. She spoke against bigoted behavior. Pillage. To steal and destroy. The soldiers began to pillage the village. The area was pillaged during the war. Nullifies. Makes something have no effect. This rule nullifies the previous decision. His action nullifies all their efforts. Infuriating. Making you very angry. His rude behavior was infuriating for everyone. It was infuriating to wait so long without help. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.